Hi, good day to all of you. I have a SMEG Cooktop SR93AX1 and there were issues with the sparking system, piezoelectric sparking. Once I had this and the whole system was replaced by the agent of the SMEG, and it cost me about $300 to $400. So this time again I had the same problem. It was constantly sparking. So I decided that instead of spending money another 400, I will try to fix it. If I could not, I might have to go for a new replacement cooktop. So this is what I have opened. So if you have similar problem, you can try to look at this information. Thanks. This slide will show you step by step how to open the SMEG SR93AX1 model cooktop. First of all, you look at the bottom. There are electrical cable connected. So disconnect the electrical cable. Look for gas connection. Close the gas bulb, inlet bulb, and then open the gas connection from the cooktop base. Then there are 4 clamp. Unscrew the clamp, just loosen enough to move them 90 degree. You don't need to remove them. And to remove the cooktop from the base, you also may remove all the burner to reduce the weight. Then once you dislodge, you will see that it is not that heavy, but try to put a towel on a flat table so that you can tilt it upside down for working. This slide will explain how to open this SMEG SR93AX1. Once you place it upside down, you will see there are 3 rivets on one side of the cooktop. Just pry them with a screwdriver. This will dislodge and remove. I believe these rivets are not required, and perhaps these are placed so that you and me are afraid not to open it. Then look for the remaining screw holding the cooktop bottom. Most of these screws are near the burner. If you have 5 burners, there could be 5 or 6 screws, and carefully open them and save them. Then once the screws are removed, the bottom cover will open. Carefully open and the whole bottom will appear as seen in the next slide. This slide will show you the model number and the bottom, and you can see perhaps the 3 rivets are here also. Once you open the bottom cover, the burner with the gas connection and spark plug associated with the ignition box will appear as you could see in this slide. Then you can work on which burner and which Once you open the back cover, you can see all the burner with the gas connection and the electrical connection with the ignition box. The blue one is the ignition box, and these are connected to each of the burner's spark plug. This slide is showing the ignition box. You see there are connections from the power. Red one is the power input, and the white ones are going to the different burner. This slide is showing the connection of the micro switch and the power from the main electrical. Red one and the white one is the negative and neutral. This slide is showing the micro switch. It has got a small button on the top, and when you push for sparking, the button goes down to make the spark in the individual burner. This slide will show you the oak burner and the plate unscrewed. I tried to unscrew it from the top, thought that it will help me to remove the spark plug, but I was wrong, because once you unscrew from the top, this plate drops down. So never try to do that. This slide is showing the oak burner and the plate in open position. This plate has a screw on the top of the oak burner, and I tried to open this screw, thought that it will be. This slide easy to replace, again showing the spark plug, oak burner, but the plate spark drops down. So never try to open this screw near the oak burner. This is ready to be. It is very risky that this plate will drop down with the next phase. Hi, this slide will show you the steps to reassemble and test in reverse order. I would also like to mention that I do not accept any responsibility or liability if you did made any mistake and get things worse than what you have. So please keep it in mind.